Are you ready to save big on your favorite Daily High Club products? Look no further. With just a few simple steps, you can enjoy jaw-dropping discounts that make your shopping experience even better. Sparkles Step 1. Visit Promosaver.net. Head over to the Ultimate Savings Hub, Promosaver.net, or simply click the link provided in the video description or comments. It's your gateway to unbeatable discounts and exclusive promo codes. Sparkles Step 2. Choose your perfect discount. Browse through a variety of hand-picked coupon codes tailored just for you. Whether you're after free shipping, percentage discounts, or limited time offers, we've got it all. Sparkles Step 3. Apply the code and save. At checkout, simply enter your chosen coupon code and watch the price drop instantly. Sit back, relax, and revel in the joy of saving money while snagging premium products. Collision, why wait? The best deals are just a click away. Don't let these incredible savings pass you by. Start now and experience the thrill of smart shopping. Remember, every penny saved is a penny earned, and with Daily High Club coupon codes, you're earning more with every purchase. Glowing Star, shop smart, save big, and celebrate. Glowing Star. Click the link, grab your code, and unlock the best deals today. Your wallet and your mood will thank you. Backhand index pointing right. Visit Promosaver.net now.